Videos help your online customers get a good look at the products before they make a decision to buy them. But great videos take time, effort, and investment. So as an online store owner, should you even bother? And are there easier ways to create videos for your business? Let's see what our experts have to say about it in this episode of Ask Printful. Why would we even need videos in online stores?
By including product videos, you have a chance of increasing your conversion rates by 80%.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, 80%. I mean, if you look at the big brands like ASOS, H&M, and Adidas, you'll notice that most of their product listings already have videos included there. And they've been doing this for quite some time now. So you absolutely need to get on this trend as well. And when you think about it from the customer's perspective, when they see a product video on your store, they have an excellent chance to analyze the product itself from all sides and also imagine what they would look like if they were to wear it.
So I'm convinced that I need to add videos to my product listings, but where do I get the videos?
So we already offer a lot of free production footage at Printful. So let's say your store is integrated with Shopify. When you add a product to your store, you can add it to your listing as well. But if you're using another platform and it has an option to add product videos, you can download them from our production footage page. All you have to do is head over to our homepage. From there, hover over resources, select marketing resources, and then click on production process footage. I mean, obviously, we're going to add a link to in the description, so make sure to read through it, and it's going to be the very first link. If you feel like you can do better in this case, if you need a different product video, you can always create your own.
But could you still give us some pointers on how we can make good videos for our online stores?
There are a couple of things that make a great product video that will help you make those sales. So obviously it's supposed to speak to your niche, represent your target audience. That means that the models that you're using, they are supposed to represent your ideal customer. And also it's supposed to show all the details and benefits clearly within the video itself. Now, before you actually start filming, there are a few things that you need to do. So depending on the e-commerce platform that you use, you need to check the video requirements. So that will tell you the necessary file size, video dimensions, and also if the platform itself, or more specifically the theme that you're using on your online store, supports those videos. Then you need to make a shot list that will include all the videos and the type of videos that you're going to film on that specific day. So that this will also save you time. And at the same time, if you don't know what to film, just check out our product fit videos and what your competitors are doing, and look for ways how you can make them better, since this is your chance now. Next, you also need to order product samples. So it's best to order multiple at once, because this will save you time in the long run, and you can film everything pretty much in one day. Then when it comes to models, you can also ask your friends to pose for you, and for their efforts, you can actually give them those product samples which you have ordered previously. And lastly, you need to scout for a filming location. So for example, if you're filming outdoors, you need to first off make sure that the weather is okay on the filming day, and also find a remote urban area, depending, of course, maybe if you have a street style brand that is clear of any pedestrian traffic, and also that if there are any buildings or anything on the background that they don't have brand signs that would stick out. If you're filming, for example, indoors, look for a location that has large windows that let a lot of natural light in, since if you're doing everything on a budget, you're not going to get any lights as well. So what all I just said, we're going to put it into practice.
All right.
Let's get to it.
I'm very excited.
Yeah.
So walk me through it. What are we doing?
Okay, so previously, as I mentioned, that you can create a product video on a budget. So you don't need any expensive gear, you just need your phone. So here we have our friend, our model, our videographer, Andres, who's gonna pose for us, and a Sherpa denim jacket as well. So with this particular shot, what I wanna do is have Andres to put a jacket on. So this will show how the product would look and how it falls on the body. Okay, this is kind of all right, but let's maybe change the angle a little bit. Can you turn slightly to this side? And let's go. Okay, good. Now, if you can adjust your color, and I'm going to film. Okay, good. Yeah, if you can adjust your cuffs. Yeah, all right, cool. And now for the last, in this case, detail shot, I want you to slide your hands across the jacket, and I'm gonna follow through. All right. Okay, so we're also gonna show how the product looks when a person is walking. So I'm gonna follow Andres as he's walking from me. I'm gonna film the back, and then I'm focusing on the embroidery as well. For the next shot, I'm gonna film exactly the same walking sequence, but I'm gonna be positioned sideways, and I'm gonna film a full body shot.
All right, so what else do we need to do?
Okay, we have one final shot in store where we're gonna film the model as they're walking towards us and walking past us.
All right, so now that we have every shot that we filmed, what do we do with them next?
Yeah, so we're gonna upload them to any editing app of your choice. If you're working on mobile, maybe Canva or DJI Mimo, and then just putting together. It's gonna take roughly about 10 minutes or so. So after you're done with it, just export it and add it to your store.
That sounds super easy to do, which I'm very happy about. I can't wait to start. Thank you so much for coming and for showing us the ropes.
Yeah, my pleasure. And of course, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, now's the time. We have more videos coming up, more stuff about Ask Printful, so join in.
So which of these video creating tips did you find the most useful? And if you're a professional videographer, what's your approach to creating videos for e-commerce? We'd love to read your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this type of content, subscribe to never miss new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Okay,
Don't you have a call to
subscribe. Yeah.